What is up everybody, it's your girl Minimoss with another video planned this week. Today is the first day of June, and for anyone that lives in my area, such as, Australia, it is the first day of winter. And we are all pansies when it comes to winter because it gets to, say, 10 degrees and we think it's freezing. And it is freezing, I'm very cold. But to commemorate, my English is failing me today, to commemorate the first day of winter, I am going to do a winter themed makeup look. So you guys would have seen what I did in the previous clip. So if you want to see how I achieved that look, then just keep watching. So to begin with, in today's tutorial, I'm going to prime my eyelids using the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. And I'm just going to apply that with my fingers just all over my lid. Then just jumping in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to jump in with just this matte white shade here. And just using a fluffy blending brush like this one, I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. And then when I finish that, the next thing I'm going to go in with is the Alice in Wonderland Through the Looking Glass palette by Urban Decay. And I'm going to go in with Reflection, which is this shade here, and just with a more dense blending brush I'm going to apply that just into the creases of my eyes. I'm using this as a transition shade. Then just with a slightly more dense pencil brush, I'm going to go in with Duchess, which is this shade here in the Alice in Wonderland palette. And I'm just, again, applying them into my crease. Going in with a tapered fluffy blending brush, going back in with Duchess, I'm just going to deepen that color up a little bit. Then just going in with more of the precise fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with Cake, which is the shade here. And I'm just going to apply that into the outer half of my eyelash, of my crease. I'm putting a majority of Cake on my outer half of my crease, but I am actually bringing it to the inner corner as well, with just whatever's left over on the brush. Then just going in with a precision tapered fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to apply that all into my crease, but pretty much following the same technique that I did for the Cake. Then just going in with that same fluffy blending brush, the big tapered one from before, taking whatever product is left on it, I'm just going to buff out those edges. Again, just with that same precision tapered blending brush from before, I'm going to go in with Chessboard, which is the shade here from the Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm just going to apply that into the very crease of my eyes. Again with that same brush as before, buffing out the edges. Would you guys hate me if I didn't actually do any foundation or anything and I just concealed? Because I'm feeling extra lazy today. Then just diving in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to go in with Charmed I'm Sure, which is this dark ash brown shade here. And with that same precision brush, I'm just going to apply that over the top of where we applied the last brown color. And just going in with the, I believe it's Maybelline. Yep, the Maybelline Color Tattoo by Eye Studio 24 Hour. And I'm using that in just a brush like this one, just to cut my lid. Again, once that's done, going in with the precision tapered fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with Tempting, which was this shade here, and I'm going to apply that to just the outer V of my eye, just to smoke it out a little bit. I'm just going to attempt to buff that out with that same brush. Quickly just putting a slight line on my lid using the Made You Look Precision eyeliner in the shade Haunted. Then just going in with mascara, I'm just going to go in with the Essence, okay, in order. I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Bombshell by Lash Blast. It's rubbed off, can't tell, but this is the step 1 and 2 mascara. And then I'm going to go in with the Essence Get Big Lashes, and then with the Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hours Lash Extension Mascara. My doggy's been staring at the floor in front of him this whole time like something's really wrong. Ooh, Toby. What's wrong? Telemarketers. Every time I record, we get a call from telemarketers. It's ridiculous. And you guessed it, I am not going in with lashes today. Surprise, surprise. When was the last time I wore lashes in a video? If only we knew. Anyway, when that has been completed, I am done with my eye makeup. So I'll jump away real quick and I'll do my face and my eyebrows, and I will come back with my contour, blush and highlight and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. I'm back, and as you can see, everything is now on. I've got to be real speedy about this because my phone has 3% charge. So I'm just going to jump straight into my under eye. I'm going to smoke it out. And I'm just going to go in with that same precision brush from earlier, grabbing the same Charmed, I'm sure, from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and very lightly smoking out the lower lash line. Then just going straight in with contouring, I'm just going to grab the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette, and just grabbing the brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to go in with the medium cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply that to all of the contouring places, such as my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose. When that's done, I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm just going to jump in with the Nude Blush 10 Color Blush palette, and it's just an angled contouring brush, and I'm just going to jump in with a mixture of these two shades here and here, this one and this one. Now, finally going in with highlights, I either can go in with the Jeffree Star Ice Cold, which goes with the tradition of winter because it's freezing, or I can go in with the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette, and ding ding ding, this will be the winner because it's got winter in the title of the palette, so boom. So I'm going to go in with, first off, I'm going to go in with Frosted Kiss, which is this one here. It's more of a cream pigment, but I'm still going to go in with a brush. And I'm going to apply that to my cheeks, above my eyebrow, and my Cupid's bow. Then once that's done, just going in with Arctic Glow, which is this one here. And I'm going to apply that just over the top of where we just applied Frosted Kiss. And just because I do want to incorporate some ice cold in there because it reflects how I'm feeling right now, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Finally, last but definitely not least, going in with lipstick. Just jumping in with the Marc Jacobs lipstick in the shade Boy Gorgeous, which is this really pretty, like, mauvey pinky reddish shade. Excuse the eyeliner all over my finger. And I'm just going to apply that to my lips as per usual. Alright, here you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below, and to give this video a thumbs up. I love you all so much, and this is Minimoss 16 out. Bye guys.